Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can share your live location on Snapchat. So sharing your live location means sharing your friends the precise place where you are currently on using Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. Now for this, you need to turn on your location setting on Snapchat. For that, you need to enter your phone setting, and inside your phone setting, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see Snapchat. Now once you see Snapchat, click on it. And once you're inside Snapchat setting, the first option versus location, click on location. And it's going to bring you inside Snapchat location. Over here, make sure always is tick marked and precise location is turned on. Once you do both of this, open your Snapchat again. And after you open your Snapchat, you want to click on the location button at the bottom left corner. The pin looking icon is basically the location icon. Click on it. And once you're in your location, you can click the setting icon at the top right corner. Now once you're inside your setting of your location, you can see this option called live location, and right under live location, it shows your friend's name. So you want to choose to whom you want to send your live location. So I want to share my live location with Abhinav, so I will just click on share live right beside his name. Click on sounds good. Now once you're over here, you can see this option called always 8 hour 1 hour, which means for how long do you want to share your location with your friends. If you click on always, he will always know where you are if you have your Wi-Fi on and you have your Snapchat turned on then. And if you click on 8 hours, your location will be shared for 8, and for 1 it will be shared for 1. After that, he won't be able to access it. Now I will suggest you to use the 1 or 8 hours, because the always one, it's not good to let other person know where you are always for your security reasons. So I will click on 1 hour, and once I do that, my location should be shared. So that's how you guys can share your location on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.